Hello, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Rapid City, South Dakota to walk through the City of Presidents. Now in downtown Rapid City, there is a statue of each and every previous president of the United States. The only president currently there's not a statue of is President Trump, because he's still in office at the time of this recording, at least. So they don't put up a statue until after the president's term is over. Usually it's about a year, 6 months to a year later. So we're going to see if we can find them all. George Washington. This is John Adams. Thomas Jefferson. He's writing, of course, the Declaration of Independence. James Madison. James Monroe. John Quincy Adams. Andrew Jackson. President Martin Van Buren. Something of rough notes. I can't read it. William Henry Harrison. John Tyler. And I believe that's a fiddle in his hand, or violin. James K. Polk. 54, 40, or fight. Poor Zachary Taylor, he has no marking either. Unless it's on the other side of the cannon, I'll have to look and see. There it is. Millard Fillmore. Franklin Pierce. James Buchanan. President Abraham Lincoln with his son Tad. In his hand is a telegram talking about the Battle of Cold Harbor, where 54,000 men lost their lives. Andrew Johnson. He holds, I believe those pieces of paper in his hand represent the North and the South, because he became president after Lincoln was assassinated. A torn country that had to be reunited. President Ulysses S. Grant. It's Rutherford B. Hayes. This poor guy, though, he doesn't have a plaque acknowledging who he is or who donated money to have him put here. James Garfield. Chester Arthur. Grover Cleveland. The only president to serve 2 non-consecutive terms in office. Benjamin Harris. He's feeding birds. William McKinley. Hello, Mr. Bell. What can I do for you? He's got the telephone in his hand. Theodore Roosevelt. Howard Taft. Woodrow Wilson. Good old Warren Harding. I'm really tempted to sit in that chair right now, but I'm not going to. So there we have Calvin Coolidge. President Hoover. Franklin Delano Roosevelt, FDR. Harry Truman. He's holding up the infamous Dewey Defeats Truman Chicago Tribune. Dwight D. Eisenhower. And if you look at his base, it's a map of Europe. President Kennedy with John. Got a toy airplane in his hand. Lyndon Johnson. Richard Nixon. Let's go. Gerald R. Ford. Jimmy Carter. Ronald Reagan. George H.W. Bush.
Bill Clinton.
President George W. Bush. President Barack Obama. This has been another adventure in TV land where we walk through the city of presidents in Rapid City, South Dakota. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.